How to connect compression fittings copper installation guide. Never solder pipe again. Enjoy the video so far. Subscribe to Raqmedia.com for more tech reviews, tips and tutorials.
So this brings us to the end of our video. For more details, check the links below. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews, tips and tutorials. And as always, feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments. I love hearing from you guys. Until next time, this is Ezzadine. Stay curious and stay techie. Peace.